many months no yes sir said you we abodam. I've taken the people for granted for a long time. Akufo-Addo kwasi ampenya no show agu. Why is he not being statesman enough? Tell Ghanaians, I am the one who employed this fool. He needs to come to Ghana. Why is Akufo-Addo not doing that? If you fue Ghana forma, who sing who Ghana for see Jimmy, see Cambodia na kamu kopi and kabule to gumutrim. Ghana na funtra, Ghana na mu efu na kwasi apegi bia to mikasa by heart. We need Ofori-Atta more, and we are not done with you twerps, disease-ridden drug peddlers, petty filthy compounds, human half-poop humans. What it one amuka kan kwasi asem NPP for more. No Ofori-Atta betena Ghana ha. So na kuta Bible. Osha white. Oyare kura na nima mwa se bi sa wi na nim no. Still on jai money box no to wo. We nimu fi kono no kwasi ajo tena betena say recuperating. Na okeka kire NPP nkwasi afo. Amode ada fidie no be so mo hwa no. Ada fidie no be so mo hwa no. Ona ba hu se san kwasi awi na monom na nya papa na monom. All these things. Share the eba no. And it brings me to this matter. NPP for from 1992, Eba Babesi 2026, they have been defending themselves when it comes to tribalism. Why? Adentina, from time Moba Eba contest election 1996, our parliamentarians be joining mu. Yepesi ebusa. Adentina de bia the NPP every day I'm any opportunity be and defend them against tribalism. Why? NPP is a national party, not an ethnic or religious platform. Ignore the little minds. Hassan Tampuli, Ghana, Anke Kanokra, Anka this guy, he was supposed to be in jail. Nipa or say NPA, this guy, one of the greatest criminals in the history of Ghana. Hassan Tampuli. When Hassan Tampuli was the head of NPA, or nona estatima this OMCs, the BDCs, area Ghana Sika, way or creative millions of thousands of companies. Or to me advice say OMCs said, Omun created different companies. Na Omun Baboka, Omun change Omudin. I did a scandal. He was in charge of NPA. I have never respected this criminal. Never in my life. Because MP, you know, Senka Ghana cannot cry. And Hassan saw this guy, he's supposed to be rotting in jail. Or we are secure MPA, or we are not the parliament for security, insurance cover. But here is not my topic tonight. What I want to talk or speak on any why is it say there are so many political parties in power in Ghana, CPP baye, PMP baye, NDC oho, NPP oho, but it is only Afafranto oho UG. Your parties bebra abako CPP. You see, I know as a girl be so nya rebi so said yes one lead as about them. Me assure so on we used to bend to be a as a yare wo ho enti be above for the team afana sia for the team. So as I don't even want to mention. I think it's a mental problem. As it CPP and PNC bibisa. Me assure so we used to bond to be a na problem wo ho enti when ya infection now we treating afana team. Into alternatives no kasa this is not normal. Yenimo ba about the many anymore bar or what disease after the trim. That girl kasa a PNP said, you know, there's sometimes you ask yourself, where the normal? Ebia we used to bend to be an infection wo and I went treaty and I did madani white and I bought for the trim. It has a rural system because of Babesia and Adri Kasa. Me, I don't want to waste time on such thing. Now, this issue of NPP always defending itself, say, and your tribal party, and your tribal party. Why are you always defending yourself, someone your tribal party? The reason why you keep defending yourself, and then say, every single day, the things you do, your utterances, nyoma bi amoye, omo di party no, in some any omusubano ema Ghana for who say moye tribal party, and every day you are trying to justify, say. The NPP is not a tribal party, but it is a tribal party. NPP a party a time tough war, a time I wanna for, a time crime for. NPP a party be a move for party. So busa party say, "Dientini yate party na ebe sinne obi antimi ma answer." Yate party because na nipa bi ehun say na e was say enton bi ebusua bi enso eden e control nipa bi anything yate party no enti amasa nipa ko no tirimu no obi a wo free sa nipa ko no won ka party no ho ene na ma party ne tribal party mwase ene edi hu mu party no ban enti sa wugina nipa bi ka say wo offer bi e dey tete ne mawremu £700 e dey te party efri ahemfie bia na party na ya ahemfie party enya party a nipa ba ku mienu miensa enan bia omo free different places omo different background omo free different tribe abesia se ye pese ye kan ya adwene bom na ye te party a political party na ye de betra ye de bechichire Ghana and ye different anything na ubusa se NDC no a tribal party obi antumi nka say a tribal party because nipa no T NPP no NDC no JJ Rawlings no what he did was he decided to bring everybody anything of friend Congress or say this is supposed to be a Congress. It is not for me. It is for every single person. And a Congress means people from different background, different ideas, and then different support coming together to form an ideology to build a nation. And then a friend of Congress. Now, Ubusa NPP say, "Then I'm going to take part na dane menana na dane ebusuya we na dane ekuo we." So it makes the party a tribal party that is not able to justify why we should not call it a tribal party. 2023, 2024. Mokache said the reason Tia Muyi Bawumia is because Nipebi said Muya tribal. You were not even thinking about competence. You were not even thinking about party, no, whether party Nipa no Nkruma accepted party, no. The main reason why Tia Mu skill system no ma Bawumia be di when him seteni, no, was because you wanted to create an impression, say, Munya tribal. Majority of your people knew that Mahamudu Bawumia or the person you people wanted to lead you guys. But you thought you could lie to Ghanaians. Why don't we use Bawumia? Why don't we put a Koliko? Why don't we lie to Ghanaians indirectly for them to think? Bana Murefi Muho say, Yenya Ghana of 1982, Yenya Ghana of 1992, Yenya Ghana of 2002, Yenya Ghana of 2026. And people can sit, analyze people's statements, go back in history and check where everyone is coming from and where you are headed. We will know your intentions. People have sat down and analyzed the party. It's whether you come out 1,000 times, 200 times. It is your actions, your utterances, how you people are selective when it comes to NPP, no, CBA, no, and then the Ghana for that conclusion say it is a tribal party. Nobody will make you a flag bearer in the NPP. Nobody will do that. In fact, say NPP ni winia. In 2024, we were all in Ghana, and NPP for release statement, Mr. S. If you can get me that statement, I'll be happy, Mr. S. There to Nkruma, and NPP releases statement. Catch that say NPP for any asantini as running mate to Bawumia. NPP Ashanti and as Asante for Mumno, I can for Romon Twaba. Nientia. It was a statement and I'm ferry. It was a statement. Now I just say it was normal. Some of your party leadership making it clear on national television. The catcher say yenya santinia. I'm a running mate to Tenina. You people are never going to vote for NPP. That statement. Now mu pushi now mu release an official statement on it. No, actually said this party se Ghana ni bi enimnyansa. Na se odwene Ghana ho a they will never join the party because some people in the party feel say omu ye nipa chen nipa bi. Enti going into election 2024 no na party nankasa for mo adwene say yenya santini o ye nipa ambeka Bawumia tani aboa no ho a we were never going to vote. And into that the party ended up with an insane individual like Napo because now it wasn't about competence, it was about perception and creating an impression. Bawumia ye tani ni edenabo even though ye peno Napo Jimmy but we are santini nti yemfa nka ho. So it wasn't about competence, it wasn't about people who can do the job. It wasn't about people who were committed and intelligent. It was about pleasing themselves in the first place. Yenya ya santifo afana po anya running mate yentiasie. Yes, besia man confordin say yenya tribal antiamfa Bawumia mbra. Even though we know Bawumia has failed with Akufo-Addo, but still because we wanted to create an impression. Now you get it. Iti yakase NPP a tribal party. Mo decision no what it is based on. The decision he took in 2024, bringing Napo in, bringing Bawumia in, and justifying why you people picked them, no, and then clearly a say it's a tribal party. It is not a party that is considering people's competence, considering what the people want. It is a party that is always looking out for its own people, or mere selfish. Do you get it? Mr. S, get me something. Thank you, team, for bringing this in. Can you meet team the story number? Thank you very much, team. And we saw this and it was published all over the place. Thank you, Mr. S. It was published all over the place. NPP is a tribal party. Nobody on earth can come and tell us that NPP is not a tribal party. This is before election 2024. Make sure why the NPP cannot move away from their tribalism. Or say NPP has agreed to select Bawumia's running mate from Ashanti region. Joseph Osei Owusu, popularly known as Joe Wise, has disclosed that the New Patriotic Party has agreed for Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's running mate to be chosen from the Ashanti region. Why specifically Ashanti region? Why specifically an Ashanti? And these are your records. When the Ghana for you with a party, no, so we Bununia won't count. We Enzimania won't count. We Wunenia won't count. We Nkrania won't count. We 10 year Unimiansa won't count. We Bunun, we Krobonia won't count. We Sefinia won't count. So we Ghana now your Konia. The party is centered on some group of people, and that without them, this party would never move forward. And that is what we witnessed in 2024. So MPP is an in and out tribal party. And every time they get the opportunity, they are all like, we are not tribalistic. We are not tribalistic. We are tribalistic. They are defending that. Why is it said the NDC, when they get the opportunity, they don't defend we are not tribalistic? Because they are not. Yeah, so we are Kromfora and Kromfora. Why do you go outside explaining yourself? Yeah, say we. Why are you always all over the place trying to explain yourself? Then it means uyeri. Young man be shame university. Young man be shame polytechnic. Young man be nursing school. Young man be teacher training college. Na Shamia. Na obi Tain. No obi Tescon. Na Tescon in it to na oye awunenia. Miwa awunenia kwara. Enzimania kwara. Bunenia kwara. Eye other tribe akwara na or school. No or Tescon. No so MPP niya. Mi won't say we Jimmy for because the party, the hierarchy, the top of the party, they don't recognize. Let me tell you some people something. What will be to say Dr. Nyawo Tamaklu? Sanka Nyawo Tamaklu, is a founding member of the party. He has had his own disagreement with the party because of the way they do things in the party. I can swear. Sanka Nyawo Tamaklu or ya Santinia, the way and manner these people speak to him when they get the opportunity, come to me nyada. See. You see somebody like Nyawo Tamaklu, 99.9% of the people in the NPP, nobody has made life than him. Me say, when you see the way they talk to him, how they insult him every minute, how they disrespect him, upon all the things he's done for the party, and they put in his resource and his intelligence to get the party to this point, you know. Senka Nyawo Tamaklu, anka ya boni din anka kasa oya me say asantini ba. Ana nkefreno Kwame Pong ana Kwame bedia Amuakwata anu kwa kweche Owusu Frimpong Owusu Dr. Frimpong Owusu and none of these fools in the party calling themselves executives could be to me man anu ntia no because wanu tia Nyawo Tamaklu wanu tia otumfo. That is how the party runs. Until they are selective about who they attack. They are selective about who they insult. They are selective about who they go after. They check, they look at your background, they check where you are coming from, who you are affiliated to in the party before they address you. And then you see useless, aimless, foolish boys and girls trying to insult somebody like Nyawo Tamaklu, all because Nyawo Tamaklu is not affiliated to be a partner kumashe. Intikanya yabonya wodi ene yakase Nyawo ya santini ba odi mokodi nchene na oyotumfo de hyanka kwasia bia ne MPP mu a obetumi abona adwena kire Nyawo all because Nyawo nya santini masa adekudi am show different from all the shows is because we no onti no bebia. Repent, Jesus is coming. Obisa repent, Jesus is coming. Anke afraid Nyawo Dr. Abuaje Champong anka kwasie bia ne people betuma kana adwena kire no. Mesi Nyawo ke frɛ no Abuaje Champong Kwame Boateng, Philip Frimpong, anka kwasie bia ntumi nkase ntia na efiri se o kase tia nya wa kase tia menhia banyawo oya santini dabi. The fact is saying nyawo nya santini no krama omo confidence to be able to speak their mind. Na dia ya ne say utani a NPP for so oya aboa na ote NPP mu na opese odi another tribe beneath them ana sa teni ne ho ya memobo. You get what I mean? So bi utani e wa NPP mu na adwene ne say ono sa teni na NPP for air consider. Let me tell you, 90% of interform NPP mu, they are trying to prove themselves to Akamfo Asantefo say omo accept you omo nipa. That is it. So NPP as a political party, anytime you abo say obi ejimi wo mu pa no na sebio oye 10 year or person prove no ho kira Akamfo no party. It won't say Akamfo about power. You could see time Akufo-Addo mobile clearly positions in your Akamfo majority. Now something funny happened. Time na omudi sikana na munyina ya Akamfo. Akufo-Addo Bawumia bedi etuo eye Gabi eye Ofori-Atta Bamti no aba eye amwakwata Akamfo were all over the place taking the money. Hardly do you hear 10 year na oka Akufo-Addo mo aban mo apart from Bawumia no ye kromfo a indirectly ono so ye ni deals in yire. You can see clearly 90% of sikana nkasa tam no Akamfo the tam ye. Eka the latter part Akamfo no ehu se mu ehu no ena omkofa eye den eye finance minister Teni ne bae. Adams. After eye Ofori-Atta mo nigu ho no wie na start say airborne no. Mo ka say John Mahama ka say NPP Akufo-Addo aban no man ne eno mutim. Now when it starts to smell, we will see who they are. Now they when they took a shit for 8 years, aka krama 8 years na end no. Na shit na omuja omu na start boy na kofa 10 year boa eye den. Adams say ombra no me finance minister. And stika oya santini akani ka say na nka oso na be finance minister ene kofa obi. Why do you think Akufo-Addo skipped eye asantini ba akani ba eye odishia ba to go and take a tenny? Because in the NPP no entaf one tibini no weja nintinka minjai. Thank you, Mr. S. Messi NPP na hu ni sa no entaf one na tibini no. It is a steady omo leadership na eba ebinisam ya ye mess na wie ye penkofo mo be clean bini na entafo na de omo ye. And that is the NPP. That is how they have arranged the party. Intende oba omo executives mu a hona mu na ejimi pa Salakau ne hu fifire ne tu fin na ojimi ne ho na okoba Mustafa Salem ne hu fin ne tu fin na ojimi ne ho na okoba. Go down and see omo mu jimi o party na nimu nyina no omo mu ti bini no e entafo no mo NPP because they want to prove themselves. Their deputy general secretary omo release a statement. They say omo be pamo from Boateng. What is it? Justin Kodua kase bi wakasa 1-2 and the 10 now ye deputy to Kodua no ono na oye dirty job no ono na edidi e tamakulatem ono na edidi from that is they use entafo party no omo do mo ti bini. And it has been happening. Ejuma be na Aliu Mahama anya makofo. One of the greatest politicians Ghana yenya and hun sambie ni ho Aliu Mahama. Me open politician I'm respecting or Ghana ha. We be 5 for Aliu Mahama minidi wom. When it came say I was Aliu Mahama lead NPP then I'm catching no. Na kofo odimnyansa cha Aliu Mahama. Kofo de ho fecha Aliu Mahama. Politics na kofo ni politics Aliu Mahama. No. But Aliu Mahama humbly served Kofo because he knew say ultimate support to Kofo na Kofo etumi succeed. It will be good for him to continue. Edu hono omo nyina ba together. Omo say Aliu Mahama wanted to contest. About 18 people contested him. You know why? The reason why they poured all their cans in was because they wanted to find a way not to make Teni to lead them in the timer during that time. And you saw about 18 people contesting Aliu Mahama. But Chakomam contesting in Sena Obi Empo Rizome close to him. And that is what the NPP represents. Now, Yeba be rawa gonim. Me say why you saw the NPP power. You're ready to work for 41 years. Yen yen ko bibia o. Ejuma no. Yebe gina mo konso. Yeah. Yebe miamo. And we are going to do that with the facts. And then I am on TSC, no. And yes, why it is about being yourself and speaking freely, making sure the facts are what you are giving the people. That's all. 90% of Nippon will share me, Biblical school chair me. Biblical in politics chair me. But they make time to listen to me for 3 to 4 hours. You know why? Because they want a confirmation of what they already know. And that confirmation is what I'm giving them. You see, when I sit here, I don't make them feel say it might not be comfortable, but I'll tell them. So with me, when it is about the NDC and things are not going right, what have I got to lose? I need to let them know, because me more and then they bet to make NPP and NDC in power. I want them to stay in power for a long time. But I cannot pamper them every day, because the more I pamper the NDC, they might be making some mistakes. They'll get too comfortable, and that power that we have all fought for, we might lose it. And to make sure they keep that power, I need to be strict on the NDC. I am not going to let the NDC have it easy. No. And I'm also not going to allow anybody to malign the NDC and think it's I've kept the NDC on their toes. That is my job. I don't need anything from anybody in the NDC. I don't. There's nobody in the NDC, without due respect, there's nobody in the NDC. Nobody. I worship the intelligence of John Mahama. Matana haka 100,000 times. Me say John Mahama ne ho nya fenche me papa. John Mahama enyese me hu ne suni pada. What I worship about him is the intelligence in his brain. I want to protect it. And that protection here demand no and then be build the Ghana. Into that is my job. Say sa adwene na that team no otumi ma adwene no yenya ho mfaso na omomudidi na chi no so esua bibi free na adwene ni mu a I will support anybody who believes in the ideologies and in the leadership of John Mahama. That is my job. Because if I decide to support you, I'm supporting you because you have learned from John Mahama and you support his ideologies. It is not because only John Mahama free esrim, only John Mahama only John I don't care. What I care about is, do you believe in the principles of John Mahama? Do you believe in the ideologies of John Mahama? Do you support his vision? If I see that in you, then I will see you as a replica of John Mahama that I can wholeheartedly commit to support you. But if I don't see that, it does not matter who you are. I wouldn't give a heck about you. It's all about protecting the ideology, the vision, the leadership qualities of John Mahama, and no never to my building on my way. And that is what I am here to do. Inti says Sana Meya dia. Sana Meya dia. Why should I be scared to speak in the face of any minister, any cabinet minister, any executive? I shouldn't be scared to do that. Then it means that the Meya Nkruma me ankasa misro me need to me. Anything I make from the highest person in the NDC to the last messenger, I am not scared of anybody. I respect everyone, but nobody can intimidate me because I've got nothing to lose. You people in politics have something to lose. And you people need to do what is right. If you do what is right, I will be your friend. It does not matter, be in NDC, take position, do what is right, you will be my friend. You can be my friend today. If you mess up, I'll stay on your neck. That is how it works. And I'm catching Ghana journalists for to say, it is not bad to come out and say, I support this political party. I support the ideology. I want them to succeed. What you need to do is to make sure that you do not lie. Because Obia Tuaba. So if today you come out and say, I like the NPP. I support the NPP. I support the ideology. I want to preach. Make sure you're preaching, it is a preaching that is true. Do not make it look like, say, the Azania Trobedada Nipa. No. When it comes to the states, the people at Fox News, are Republicans. Majority of the people at CNN, 99.9%, are Democrats. MSNBC, are Democrats. There are other channels. You need to know what you want. You being a journalist, you are not a wood. You still vote. But the issue is, the difference between you as a journalist, any Ghanaian and American, say, when you state your stance, make sure say you are not underestimating the intelligence of the people. Me NPP ni, me NDC ni, I support this, but wait there that the people will live with you. Wait there, the people will live with you. Now, person say media me neutral. There's nothing like neutral in politics. There's nothing like neutral in journalism. There's nothing like that. People who even report on the environment, there are people who are against reporters who report on the environment because Adebia will report against, it might be something that somebody's making money out of. You might be a reporter who reports on animals and that animals' rights are supposed to be protected. Some journalists are now somebody to believe to say some animals are supposed to be shot, killed, and eaten. So wherever you find yourself, somebody's going to oppose you. But it's about you justifying your stance. And I can be in this system for a very long time. The reason is that I am not scared to tell the NDC my mind. I am not scared to tell the president my mind respectfully. I am not scared to let the NDC know this is wrong. It gives me an edge over you. No. Be rational in your deliberation. Be rational when you are speaking on national issues. The people watching you, the people listening to you, they are not foolish. They are also Ghanaians. Sorry. They understand what you are talking about. There's nothing like I am a neutral. Nobody's neutral in Ghana. Nobody. So Bitina Radio say we are the neutrals or bois or cromfo. They say. So Bitina Radio say I am a journalist. I work for this radio media. We are neutrals. We are helping Ghana. What is Asamoah? Or a cromfo or ye. He wants to take money here and he wants to take money there. Yes. See. So, OT journalist BT radio, so can say I am a neutral, he's a liar, he's a thief, he's a criminal. He's taking money from NDC and he's taking money from NPP. Yes. So, journalist now with him because I'm a neutral or a criminal. He's not a neutral. He's playing you. He's taking money from here and taking money from there. Let them stick to their stance and let them stick to the principles of the job. You being NDC does not mean you have to break the principles of the job. No. You being NPP does not mean you need to break the principle. No. What is wrong is wrong. Let them know. That is what makes you human. Until you supporting NDC or you supporting NPP and being a journalist, no, does not mean you are stupid. You need to be realistic enough for people to understand. Say, at least, nobody is a neutral in Ghana politics. I'm telling you on authority from a handful. To Abodamfo, to a Christopher, to a Nkruma, to a Bosom, or to a Hema, and Kokurani, nobody is a neutral. Everybody will be our interests. Me say, nobody is nobody is a neutral. It's mama for God and country. We are doing it for Mother Ghana. Obwa. We don't belong to any political party. All that we want to see is things are supposed to be done right. So they are lying. He's a liar. Obwa or Kromfo or just go in this war. And just go NPP war. He is not bold enough to state the facts. Men can say him. That's all. Because when you see me as Kevin Taylor, Ushamo baby, because Kevin. I need to listen to you. When I come on my show, I need to speak on it. Yes, because I was trying to bring John Mahama because I want John Mahama to use his brains to help Ghana. I will not sit somewhere and say, oh, don't talk to me. Media, I don't do politics. So I do politics. I speak on politics. I like the president and what he's doing. It does not make me stupid. When his people are doing bad things, I should be able to say it. That's all. Nothing. It makes it easy for me. So president is taking decisions via any writer. Why can't I tell the president this one I don't like it? We don't like it. It's not going to help us. What can the president do to me? When the NDC does something as a government and it is not right, and I sit here and I criticize the president, criticize the vice president, criticize the chief of staff, and tell them this is wrong, what can the president do to me? What can the NDC do to me? They can do me foco. And we all need to get to that point where we will be clear in our minds when we are working. That is the thing. Why should he be shocked? Why should he be shocked? I want the NDC to prosper. But somebody like Elikem Kotoko, a very brilliant gentleman. Every time I get the opportunity to talk to him, I catch and say, stay away from anything that will make me come after you. I tell him every day. Every single day I speak to him. If I have to call him and tell him, ask about his family, Nemano, and then meaning baby, I'm saying, make sure you don't get yourself involved in anything because me echo, I will not let it slide. And he knows it. He knows it. Because Madam for NDC Odin Kwasi Semunti na metia. Na dia na Madam for na respect me. I don't remember NDC na respect me. Majority of the people in the NDC are Sebio Ebiso is because they know when I get you, I will not spare you. That is the thing. That is what I hold on to. And then when I get you, I will slaughter you. Me, when I get you, I will slaughter you. If you're fine with me, I'm fine with you. But that does not mean me know you're nice. Me, I don't do that kind of nonsense. There are no neutrals here. Now, this story is very important. A story way and yet it said TUC4 the day, and it's got to do with Ghana energy sector. Endra, yet asem there, and this year buying it me 1.4 billion. I say tia World Bank guarantee money and daho $500 million. I a big crab ton $579 million. And this year say tia. The confidence my investors say almost sika any emesha Ghana energy muno across 3 years. Inti IPPs, independent power producers, almost any aji. Say they are willing to work with the government of Ghana. They will collaborate with us to sustain our energy. Inti that is how it works. Right now, we are not out of the woods yet. We are still working. We are still making sure things get right. Inti I was say mama yeniko omani chichirehun. Now TUC4 you say omakasa ende about almost say yefre bibi privatization of ECG. Nipa bi wo TUC, nipa bi ewo ECG. Omo di Ghana dream a check. They've been stealing from us for years. Now, Mama Chow, the Public Utility Workers Union says ECG's revenue jump from 900 million Ghana cedis to 1.7 billion proves privatization is unnecessary. TUC Secretary General Joshua Ansa says the union will strongly resist any move to privatize ECG or Netco. Yasi TUC for any Sebiomun penny for Babontin say, Sesiana by no near yenim say, ECG, any ye in Kanyamun Semno, na ajiegu, na sikasema say. Omangaza say, abayin catch Ghana for say, Sibia na sikasemno as say or mobatu yeno, omo per se, edye, ECG no, omo esa man nat nentuma pa esa afefra. Now, among for the jandam binam system, nimu say, abayin say, omo babe privatize ECG, edyama ankurankure. Oh, papa we oye penyini. So oye penyini na udi kuo ni ma. So wudi atra uja kuo no. Tie. Papa we oye penyini. Se ekuo udi ekuo nim. Na wo de bribe sem. Wo de politics. Na wo dada ekuo mano. Na udi atra uwu atrom. Ema uwu no eyeya. And this yaban ba power. Omo ka kire Ghana for say ECG no ekada ho mwangata TUC for na munim say ECG ebu ni komu ase ema omo baaye no na sika ECG tumi jeje no na around 900 million Ghana cedis. In less than 1 year ECG tumi jeje 1.75 billion. Now abani kan bibi eden abani kan ye NDC are being led by John Mahama, any energy minister, John Abujinapo. Omokachire Ghana for say, Diama ECG ebre, 1. PDS sika nanka yede beshe ECG mua Akufo-Addo mujidi ye. Bawumia ko sign a bank guarantee no, taking off. Emma Akufo-Addo to me building companies be in Sia, beji sa $500 million di no. Eno na ama yenkani ansam eko form. Secondly, abani kachire say, senior ya jiji light bills wo Ghana no na sika no eko nipa bi bottom enitina na ECG sika sem akofom Ye woni pe bi ye ejuma wo ECG no mu wo sika chan aban. All because ye jeje light bills na ye ntumi track light bills no. Ye ntumi mbua konta. Ye hu bebi asika ne ko. Nipa bi adane omo cashiers. Amadane omo bankers. ECG light bill de bejeje a wo se nkedi kogu afutuo bum na ye hu ne dodo na ye hu de admetim di sika ne bia ye ama ECG dwumadie no akoso no. Na nipa bi wo ECG ewo ye nyina mu nkane adwumadie mu a na sika ne begu ombotom. Intaban we bae no na o se woni bibi. Animanim ha no omo de nyoma betoto to akwan mu. Sebio sa nyoma no de to akwan mu no enye eno pa na mo pese omo ye. Omo pese omo di nkan esisisi amana nkitinkiti bi na sebio de omo didi de omo di nko de sebio ya adwene ho no yentumi mbɔ ho ban kakra. Iti de aban ye ne se or the some interim measures bi betoto ho a e ma sa loopholes bebi asika no so ne dwane a ya jeje light bill a na nipa bi afa di wo ECG no aban no interimly no or the some strategy bi ba ya na otumi jeje sika ne kakra eno na ma aban tumi jeje sika no from 900 million ekodu 1.75 billion. Now the honest truth is NDC aban ba power no o magana for tiase say ECG problem no e simple e revenue collection e sika ne jeje no light bill ne jeje no nipa bi ediska no ni nyina ne say nipa bi wo ECG wa omo de omo so omo ya aban adwuma omo de omo ye cashier-fo omo de omo ye manager-fo omo ye CEO-fo ya gigi sika na e ya aban adwuma nti obi ani wa all take responsibility se sika ne bi fa baby a 20 million ira obi aso ya aban adwuma ni ubusa na osemi de minim nti NDC aban ba power no so ni bibi enimanim a de ye de nyoma tutu kwan mu a saa sika na enyunyunu no ye betima stop ne kakra nti omo stop ne kakra no e na sika gigi na every 900 million and the ECG tumaje 1.75 billion. The NDC abane kachire Ghana fo nyina ne se opese odi sikagegye no side no sikagegye no the revenue collection no opese odi ma a company that has the expertise, a company that we can hold responsible when there are shortfalls. In Tinkopeso or this part no the revenue collection light bill gigi no opese odi ma a private company to manage. Sanya beya obinka se me chief director me bae no na sika eda ho no ya fa bi edi intimate report aban se on person beti sa nkwase asem no on person beti se obi beka se me de political party na appoint him na me bae no e ka me beto ye no me ntuma anya hwe intimuntumi nchime aban se on person beti sa nkwase asem nti NDC aban ka kire se they want to make sure say the revenue collection light bill agigi no on person de ma private company na private company no aban gina omo kon so. So private company for a sika dia betuma chomatum agi company no agi oma set e de atieka na say ECG for a sika dia why na okoche no. So that is the message. And so papa we your friend no eye Joshua Ansa odi TUC for nim onim sa asem we. In fact the PRO of Ghana ECG etna TV so etchna asem we mu say sika na privatization no aban se enye ECG ni net konya na otama ma obi eye sika gigye no revenue no light bills no ene na aban pe se o make sure say yetumi agigye ma na sima ye sika na aye bim eno nko a na ECG can somewhere several times on TV o ma release a statement aban a kire ne stand and so TUC penyini we enkwasiade a o ye nti o dada o ma mu di na chi no o ye propaganda or the atro ton frame say aban per se omeden omuton ECG. This is the PRO of ECG. Asamoah, what can it so many times?
First and foremost, let me state categorically that the government does not intend to sell ECG. The government does not intend to privatize ECG. And I don't want to believe it's a deliberate attempt to push that narrative out there. Because what Cabinet approved last year, April, was that we're going to have private sector participation in some aspect of ECG's operations, and that is what has been. And so any attempt to deliberately mislead the public or misrepresent facts will not be fair and will be in bad faith. The Ministry of Energy and Green Transition, which has been at the heart of the discussions with PU and TUC, has always been very, very accommodating and has always been engaging. If you ask PU themselves, at every point in time, the ministry has engaged them on the processes, on this PSP process. And so what we would state is that they should come back to the table. We'll be making attempts to meet them. The minister has been making attempts to meet POO and PUC to have the discussion as it's been over the period. But all attempts have failed, and so they should just get back to the table. Government has noted their concern. The government has stated, as was said 6 months ago, that the interest of the energy sector is what we are looking at. At the end of the day, they've been guaranteed that there won't be job losses, that jobs will be protected. And so if they have further concerns, it's only fair that they come back to the table to speak or engage the ministers and speak, so that if there are any outstanding issues, those issues may be resolved.
Simple as that. PRO say, TUC, Abaya engage mu before last year April, so then Abaya the Assembly called Cabinet. Onomotana Sika say, Sa revenue collection no, ECG Juma Dawson. Sika Jiji and part no, Abaya problem. Yentumi realize ECG, the revenue, also few abanity. Abaya said that part no kwano, was see the company be not your monitor no mojiji ni na fenchem. There are so many things that ECG. Abaya cross a catch them TUC for say. Obien one the Juma Bashir no. When it comes to even the revenue collection, sa company na Abaya be contracting no, or better make sure so, or be make sure so mo amu adwuma mu ne mpa mo bia. Enti dede na mo ye no, eno ehon faso ne den. Mo mpese be ko enim na reset no mo ti ase sen. Ye ka say reset na mo ti ase sen. We are resetting everything. We are trying to make sure we refix everything. Bibia nsanjina ne na so. Mo san kokora we munya club ba ko ne gold ba ko no ma enkwase asam nko a. Enche na mo tare da ho. Instead, say mobadwene ama munchiri ma na mumma. What the government is doing, say, sa bad na beda ECG so a yentumi realize revenue collection amount, nobody's going to lose their job. It is just that we want to collect it effectively. I see a jiji sikani ye. Ya dema buying for some monjiji ana akoda corruption. Ya dema private institution, you betuma monitor, you betuma chromo say, you need to declare this asset, you need to make sure that you betuma chinipa, inti bone ben abaye. Anopatutu papa pinyi toto, wasman kwara we nyina obegina ni pem, hwensem ye okekakeka, tiensem ye okekakeka.
UCG turnaround program. In June 2025, POO and TUC proposed what we deemed practical and sustainable solutions to the Minister of Energy and Green Transition in respect of addressing the challenges facing ECG. Our proposals outlined key deliverables for management, staff, and ministry under the turnaround program to revive the fortunes of ECG and the entire electricity distribution sector. At the heart of the proposal is revenue mobilization. Following extensive tripartite engagements involving the Public Utility Workers Union, POO, representing staff of ECG, management of ECG, and the Minister of Energy and Green Transition, a 6-month turnaround program was agreed upon and implemented from July to December 2025. The result of the turnaround program has been phenomenal. Verified performance data from this turnaround program indicate that ECG's average monthly revenue collection increased from approximately 900 million Ghana cedis to a record of 1.75 billion.
And the women, we have the men and the women.
So, comrades, this represents more than 90% increase in revenue collection. This remarkable improvement in revenue collection has ensured that power generators are now paid regularly, avoiding insistence where independent power producers threaten or actually shut down their production plants in projects of unpaid arrears. This partly explains why the lights have been extraordinarily stable. The enviable gains recorded under this union-led turnaround program have been acknowledged by key government officials, including the following. The Honorable Minister of Finance, Dr. Akufo-Addo, during the presentation of the 2026 budget on November 18, 2025. It includes the Majority Leader, Honorable Mahama Yarga, on 27 November 2027 on the floor of Parliament.
Ya chairman keke no kenkan epokra insotogum. Say enimeni yetu benya 1.75 billion. We can do better. And we believe say we need people with enough expertise to support ECG to make it better. So we jumping from 900 to 1.7 billion does not mean that there are still no leakages. What the government wants to do is that they're going to bring in more comprehensive, more updated, more sophisticated equipment that private entity can provide to monitor every single light bill we collect. So the little success we've chucked does not mean the problem is still not there. The little success we chucked means that if we do it well, bringing in more equipment, sophisticated ideas and companies, we could do better. The good news is nobody's going to lose their job. Yehubida, yaya abanye juma, ama yedim mrato ama prizes any your mark kakra ama ayeye ama in less than 2 years you people will go back to factory settings. We know you people. It is because the government got strict a little bit and amamoye mujuma. We know as time goes on you will still start to devise a strategy to dupe the system. We know you people. Government ne buy na or this some new measures be buy na ojina mo konso and kakra. The moment you find solutions how to break this code, you will go back to factory settings and you start stealing from us. With all due respect, nobody's going to sack anybody. At least a ponokra in sotogum. So we will need another hand that has the expertise to help us realize the revenue target proper. So we really appreciate your effort helping the government move from 900 to 1.75. But you know something? Sida, and we know the people we are dealing with. We police for ECG for na troublesome Ghana pa. Enemy ECG for mu Sikacha Bank of Ghana ankasa. And we cannot hand over this thing to you totally. So we want to also bring people to come and help. Your problem should be that will you lose your job? You are not going to lose your job. Your problem should be like retirement, retirement, your problem is, are you still going to be part of your pension plan or scheme or SNIT? Yes, you will still take your pension. So don't worry. As far as you are keeping your job, let the government do its job. It's simple as that. You are still processing and monitoring this system. Etumama abain a jump from 900 million to 1.75 billion. In 2 months, some idea know what the government did to make sure they made this money. You break that system. As we speak, saying a private company in Ejijiska we are 4 billion. Wempono, modi acheye. So we beg you people, maintain your level, Adole. Just maintain and let us build. You all let us build. Now, answer Bekono, we a simple one.
The NPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers,